So, you want to make some mead? Well, this is a very simple recipe. It's straightforward and it's not very expensive. What you'll need is some honey, a receptacle, and some water. Don't forget the yeast. That's pretty much it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our spring water and we're going to add a little bit of it to our receptacle. Now, take your honey, which this is Wild Mountain brand, raw, 100% pure, natural, uncooked honey. So, you're just going to begin by pouring in your honey. Each one of these jars is 2 pounds. I'll use about half this jar. I might add a little bit more because I'd like this batch to be sweet. And we're ready to add some more water. Wake our yeast up. So that it's not as shocking of an experience for a yeast when they enter this sugar-filled honey water. Now, we've got our yeast waking up. We've got some water in here. My sticky honey water mixture. A hydrometer, which will measure the gravity of your mead. And the gravity is just determined by how many sugars are in your water. So we'll drop it in, give it a quick spin, 1.126. We're going to add our yeast. We are just going to add this simple airlock. I have right here a mead that I'm currently aging, made with orange blossom honey. Just get a quick taste, and it's a very good mead. Goodbye.